Well, hello there my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some really cute date night outfit ideas. I'm hoping that this video will give you some type of inspiration, whether you're going out with your boo or grabbing drinks with your girls, whatever the case may be. I'm hoping that you can pull some really cute outfit ideas from this video. So I've broken it down into 4 different categories. The categories are lounge, dinner, brunch, and casual. So I'm hoping, like I said, that this video will give you some type of inspiration on your next outing. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first category is lounge. And when I go to a lounge, I'm thinking I want to be super cute. I want to look sexy. I want to be feminine, all the things, right? So this dress, the one that I actually have on right now, is one of the dresses that I would definitely wear to a lounge. I think this is so cute, so feminine, and it just hugs you in all the right areas. It gives you that Coke bottle shape, and it is just so freaking cute. Not only that, the billowy sleeves just do it for me. I love it so much because it just gives it that beautiful feminine vibe, and I think it's so adorable. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have definitely seen this dress already, but y'all, I had to add it in this video because I just love this dress so much. It's so cute. I also love the color of this dress. Like, you would think that brown on dark-skinned girls would actually wash you out, but it doesn't. This chocolate color on the chocolate skin is just giving everything it's supposed to, okay? I love it. So yeah, this dress is available still. I got it from Pretty Little Thing, so if you check the link down below, you will see it if you are interested. And good news, it is on sale. So I would not walk to get this dress. I would run to the website because it's just that good. Okay, so if I were going to a lounge, this dress is a dress that I would definitely pull out of my closet because it is so cute. Y'all, it's got cutouts, and I don't know if you guys know, but the cutouts are big trends these days, right? And so this dress is cut out at the top. It ties in the back, and actually you can tie it in different ways. You can either crisscross it or just have it tied regularly. While it is revealing at the top, the bottom of the dress is more of a midi, so it's still long. One of my rules is if I'm gonna have a lot showing at the top, I don't want too much showing at the bottom. And this dress is doing that for me. It's giving everything. And while the cutouts are there, it's still sexy and classy at the same time. You're not doing too much, and that's what I love about this dress. I would pull this dress out only if I feel confident, okay? Now, around certain times of the month, if you know what I mean, I'm not pulling for this dress because I'm bloated, I don't feel great. But if I'm not on my cycle or feeling good, then I'm definitely pulling this dress because it is so freaking cute, and like I said, super sexy. So I would definitely pull out this number. It's so cute. And y'all, cutouts, like I said, are very popular this year. They're just everywhere, and they're so cute. So I would definitely pull that. Now, the next category is dinner. Now, if I were going to dinner, I would definitely pull out the dresses, okay? I am a dress girl. One thing you guys should know about me is I am like the girliest girl ever, and I am so feminine, and I love feminine things. So I definitely will pull the dresses for dinner. So now this dress is a dress that I will pull. I think it is so good, so cute. I love it so freaking much. Y'all, I would wear this dress if I were going to like an upscale dinner. You know, we're doing ballet, we're not doing too much walking, we're going directly to our dinner or directly to our seat. It's just so cute, and as you can see, it has the ruching on the sides, and it's all out in the back, and girl, that is so good. I haven't worn this dress, obviously, but yeah. I just think it is adorable. I am so in love with the ruching these days because it just cinches in your waist and make you look so snatched, and that's why I love it. And I think that if you wore this dress, your man would go bonkers because it's that cute. It's so good. But yeah, one thing I love about this dress is that it is long, girl. I am 5'7". Well, I'm kind of 5'6", but I like to say 5'7". I'm like 5'6" and a half, 5'7". And so I love how long this dress comes. And I think it's just so perfect for dinner, especially in upscale. So like if you're going to a Nobu or something like that, I would definitely grab this dress. The next dress that I would grab would definitely be this dress. Now, this one is a little bit out of my comfort zone, y'all. I don't do too many patterns, but when I saw this, I was like, you know what? This is good. This is so cute. And it actually is a little retro. I'm not a huge pattern girl, but I really want to get into more patterns. So I would definitely wear this dress to dinner or grabbing drinks. It is just everything. I think it's so cute. It's a mini and I love the cut of it. It looks a bit retro like I mentioned, and I think that if you wore this on a date or wore this in drinks, you'd feel so cute and confident. Although it's short, it still is covering up a lot, and I think it will be so cute for a date. And I love the texture of this dress as well. It's a bit velvety, so it gives it some texture and it gives off this 3D vibe, and I love that. So yeah, I would wear this dress out on a date, and I would pair this with some really cute sandals. While we are still in winter, there are some days when it's just not as cold, and so I would definitely pull this dress for those days when it's not freezing outside, right? But obviously if you get cold, pair it with a jacket. So yeah, that's super cute. Now, this dress is another dress that I would wear to dinner. It's your LBD. Girl, you cannot go wrong with a little black dress. You just can't. Every woman should have one in her closet. This one is freaking adorable. It's so beautiful, so classic, and I love the ruching and the mesh detail of the dress. It is so good, okay? I just love it, and it makes me feel so confident in it, and I think that it will be the perfect date night dress for dinner, no matter where you're going. It's so cute. I love that. And this one is more so of a midi, more so as this dress was longer. This one is the long dress, this one is the midi, and I feel like it just cuts off in the right places. Just really cute. But yeah, I think this one is one that I would definitely grab for dinner. You can even pair this with a nice necklace or no accessories at all. Just, you know, some studs I think would work. It'll just be super cute for any night. And it's got a slit in the back, so yeah, love that. Super cute. Now, the next category is brunch. Now, if I were going to brunch, I would definitely grab for something that is cute and comfortable, okay? Cute and comfortable. And I say that because you're gonna be eating and gonna be out drinking and just having a good time. So, and you want something that's gonna last you all day, something that will take you from day to night. And I think that this is the perfect outfit for that. So this is a button-down shirt dress, and I would pair it with my over-the-knee boots as well as this sweater, and I just think that is so classic and so cute, and I love it so much. But like I said, when I go to brunch, girl, I want to be comfortable. I want to look good, obviously, but I really want to be comfortable. Like, that's really my main goal. So yeah, I would definitely wear this dress with this sweater because I feel like it gives it a different style, and I just love it. Now, as you can see, I did pair it with some shorts just in case the wind tries to play me. So yeah, but this is super cute, and I would definitely pull this for brunch. Super cute. Now, another outfit that I would grab for if I were going to lunch or brunch is this. This is a blazer and this H&M dress. I love it so much because, like I said, it's super comfortable. While it is very casual, it's still a bit dressy, which is what I go for. I like to go for those looks that are very effortless, that look like I put in so much work but I hardly did anything. that's this outfit, okay? This outfit is so effortless. Throw on a little LBD and oversized blazer and you are good to go. Grab you some boots and you will look so cute, but you'll feel so comfortable. And like I said, I always want to wear something. For me, I like to wear bigger things to brunch because I know I'm going to be eating a lot and drinking, so I just like to make sure I can cover up that pooch, okay? So yeah, but this is so cute and something that I would grab for when I am going to brunch. Now, the last category is a casual date. Now, if I were going on a casual date, I want to make sure that I am very comfortable yet still chic, okay? That's like my thing. So if we were going maybe to go to the movies or bowling, Topgolf, something of that nature, I would grab a sweater and maybe some cute shorts, pair it with some over-the-knee boots. I don't really have any flat boots or casual shoes, which I'm working on, guys. I gotta get me some. I have a couple pair, but not enough. So I need something that is super cute and comfortable that I could wear for stuff like this, but I'm really a heel girl, so even if I did have it, I would probably be grabbing for my heels and just like make do, because that's just who I am. But anywho, I think that this would be super cute for a casual date and super comfortable, like I said. And I love this sweater because of the cut and also because of this cutout detail here. I think it's so cute and I think it's very flattering. So I would definitely pair something like this. You don't have to go for the leather shorts, maybe go for some black jeans or either some leather leggings. But yeah, I would wear this. I think that'll be super cute. The last outfit that I would pull for a casual date would be something like this jumpsuit. Y'all, I love this jumpsuit. It is so good because it snatches you, girl. It makes your body look so stinking cute. I love it. But not only that, it's comfortable. It's like stretchy material, so you won't be feeling all snug or whatnot. You'll feel really good. I would actually pair this with some heels, but like I said, if you feel more comfortable in some flats, definitely grab you some flat boots or some sneakers or something like that. You know, you could wear this to a basketball game, football game, bowling, something like that. I just think that this will be super cute for that type of occasion. And also, I love how you can adjust this. So like, if you want to wear a bra, you can actually, like, you know, show some. I don't see anything wrong with that. I think it'll be super cute. But yeah, I love how you can adjust that. But yeah, guys, I would definitely pull this for casual wear. I think that's everything, y'all. Is that everything? Yeah. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Super short, super cute. I hope that you guys did. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.